Hi guys, welcome to Southport Honda. Today I'm going to do a video on our 2-litre hybrid CR-V. This is a top of the range model, EX, and it's an X demonstrator, so it's VAT qualifying. Now I'm going to go around the vehicle, show you some of the key features, and for any more information, please give us a call on 01704 500 501, and one of our qualified salesmen will do a personalised video for you today. Thank you. So let's just take you around the car. So we've got parking sensors on the front and rear, the upgraded EX wheels. Let's take you out. It's keyless entry on this model. We have parking reverse camera. There's the registration number. Take you around the outside. It's also got sunroof, electric seats on the front, and also heated seats all around, which is a nice little added bonus. There you go. Take you inside now. Leather seats. There's your wireless phone charger. It's only done 13,169 miles, this car. There you go. And it's actually running as well, which is so silent. Okay guys, so for more information on this car, please give us a call today. Thank you. Bye now.